Taking a look at this live earth application here and pretty much look it is it what it say it is or if it's just trash. So pretty much how to use it as well. And make sure to watch the video. Stay tuned. As you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Nothing more for you to understand. At the top, you pretty much have the live earth, whatever this is, and it pretty much doesn't work. We'll just show you some random stuff. Doesn't work, guys. The next explore world option is the top of this. It pretty much will show you the option to select, let's see, this here, and that's really pretty much it. You can't do anything. You cannot do anything there. So, for the globe view 360, it's crap. Now you have the live earth cam, which is the option here, which pretty much gives you a live view of countries all over the world. So this is totally crap as well. If I click on the play options here, it will pretty much not play. So nothing will happen. So do keep that in mind. Most of these will nothing will play, guys. So do keep that in mind. Some of them will load, but it's like a live pictures of, screenshots of places, but nothing much. So that's pretty much it for that. There you have New York. Let's try BVC here. BNEC, sorry. And as you can see here, it will not load. So it doesn't make any sense you waste your time. You're already done with the application, but it doesn't really make any sense. You try to use the application. It's totally garbage. Here you have your listen to tunes option, which pretty much works. I would say this is the only section on the application that really does work. Here you can listen to radios and so forth. You have the area FM radio, all of the radio based on your location. So once you have allowed your location to this application, it will just automatically load everything based on your location. It can also change the region as well. You can change it to something else if it's selected your location, change it to anything else, United States or whatever the case is. All depends on you. You can share location, which is pretty basic feature. Nothing much for that. Save location, nothing much for that. Wonders of the world, just some live photos of some popular location, which is crap. And you have the live location with a weather report. So based on your location, it will give you weather forecast of your location, which is pretty accurate, not gonna lie. So this is the second part of the application that does work. The reason why I don't want to open it because it will expose my location, so I'm not gonna do that. And you have the speedometer, which is totally crap. What is this? It's totally crap. And you have the compass option here, which is totally crap as well, but it does work. But you have this crap animation, which I don't like. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that there. And if you tap on the Chrome icon on top, these are pretty much what you get in with the premium subscription, which I don't think it's even worth it to get $14. These applications are the crap. And the settings option here pretty much can change the language and so forth. Nothing much for that. Remove ads, get that with the premium subscription. Nothing for that. So basically, I would say, honestly, this application is totally garbage. I wouldn't recommend anyone download it. And if I missed anything in this video, you can always comment below and let me know, guys, or any insights. What's the best live earth map application I can recommend you guys? You can comment below and I will tell you. But without that, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys in the next tutorial.